Hey everyone, hope everyone's having a great day today. Today I will be discussing the health benefits of Meadowsweet. Don't forget to subscribe, like it, share it, comment, love it. Meadowsweet is an herb belonging to the rose family, found in damp meadows native to Europe and Asia. Meadowsweet has been used in traditional medicine to help treat joint pain, heartburn, upset stomach, colds, bronchitis, arthritis, and gout. Meadowsweet has also been used as a diuretic to increase urine output in people with kidney and bladder infections. Meadowsweet is rich in antioxidants, including the plant compounds tannins, and flavonoids. Antioxidants help fight free radicals in the body and may help prevent the risk of chronic diseases. Meadowsweet has anti-inflammatory properties. Meadowsweet contains small amounts of salicylic acid, which is an active component in aspirin that helps reduce inflammation and pain in the body. Meadowsweet may also promote skin health. Meadowsweet may also have a positive effect in diabetic diseases. Meadowsweet may also boost your immunity. If you're allergic to aspirin, then please do not consume. Meadowsweet may have some side effects when taken in large amounts or long-term use, such as nausea, vomiting, skin rashes, or hives. Meadowsweet may interact with certain medications. As always, consult with your physician. I hope everyone learned something new today, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.